And as we move into 2025, I think for us, it's our opportunities where we are going to have significant capital that we've deployed into our portfolio, both in 23, 24, and actually into 25, that will be generating incremental returns for our shareholders.
I'm here today with Jeff Donnelly, CEO of DiamondRock Hospitality Company. Jeff, what are some of the key issues you're seeing impacting the lodging sector in the next 6 to 12 months?
I think some of the issues that will be factoring into the lodging sector over the next year or so will be on the labor side. I think some of the labor costs in the industry, as the industry returns to its prior levels of staffing and you begin to see wages return to what I'll call more of a normalized pace. For our portfolio, I think we're largely through that, but I think in the industry you're starting to see that in some cities. Longer term, I think probably the better opportunity for lodging is that I think there's a great demographic change that's going to be continuing to benefit lodging over the long term.
And where do you see the greatest growth potential for DiamondRock in the second half of the year and into 2025?
I think the second half of the year for us, in the back half of 2024, we have very, very strong group bookings. Our group booking pace in the second half of this year is up about 20% year over year. And as we move into 2025, I think for us, it's our opportunities where we are going to have significant capital that we've deployed into our portfolio, both in 23, 24, and actually into 25, that will be generating incremental returns for our shareholders.
And then, is there any particular project or initiative currently underway at DiamondRock that you're especially excited about in terms of its ability to generate growth and to enhance shareholder value?
One for 2025 that I think is really particularly interesting is we have 2 adjacent hotels, 2 resorts in Sedona, Arizona, that there's a significant rate gap or room rate price between the 2 properties. One's close to $1,000 a night, one's around $300, and we think through some of the renovation work we're doing in the next year, we'll be able to close that gap dramatically, and it'll be a significant value driver for our shareholders in 2025 and 26.